Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we discuss how to create a chatbot or Copilot agent for your website using Microsoft Copilot Studio. I've signed in to Microsoft Copilot Studio. This is the dashboard of Copilot Studio. In the left navigation panel, you can see options like Home, Create, Agent, etc. Now we want to create a chatbot or Copilot agent. To start, click the Create button. After clicking, you'll be navigated this page. You'll see several templates such as Safe Travels, Website Q&A, Help Desk and others. These templates can help you create your agent quickly. However, in this tutorial, we'll create one from scratch. Click on the New Agent button. After clicking, you'll be navigated to the chat window. In the top right corner, you'll see the option to skip to configure or create. Click on the Create button. It's take a few seconds for Load tab. Here, you can see some configuration settings where you can change your agent's name, icon, add a knowledge source, and more as per your requirements. In right side test panel, where you can test your chatbot by giving it prompts. But before that, we need to provide some knowledge or data sources for the agent to understand your queries. In the Overview tab, here you can see the name of your agent, icon, description, and other settings. I want to change the name and icon of the agent, so I click on the Edit button. I rename it to Binary Roots Chatbot. You can also change the agent's icon. Click on the Change Icon button. Upload your logo from your local files. Click on the Save button. It's processing our request. Wait for a few seconds. Once saved successfully, your logo will be updated. You also have the option to add a description, but I'll skip that for now. Now let's move on to the knowledge section. Here, you can add a knowledge source or data source. Click on the Add Knowledge. Here you'll see options like Public Website, SharePoint, Dataverse, Azure SQL, and other option. For this demo, I want to use a public website, so I select that option. Here, I want to use my organization's website URL as a knowledge source. I just copy it and paste my company website URL. Click on Add button. Wait for a few seconds. And you'll see your knowledge source has been added successfully. Let's test some queries to see how it responds. Now let's try asking something like, what kind of services does Binary Roots provide? Wait a few seconds. And yes, you can see the Binary Roots provide following services such as Microsoft 365, SharePoint, Power Platform, data integration, etc. All of this was extracted from the public website. Because we added the company website as a knowledge source, the chatbot should fetch information directly from that site. Here you can see references. After clicking on them, it navigates to the website where the information was sourced from. You can see it takes information from this page of the website. Now let's move on to the topic section. You'll see many default topics here. For example, if I click on the Thank You topic, you'll see it trigger includes queries like thanks, thank you so much, etc. in description. If you give a prompt like thanks or similar queries in the chat, a response like you're welcome will be generated. It's already mentioned in the flow, as you can see now. Let's try it out. If I type thanks into the test panel in chat box, the chatbot responds appropriately. Boom. You can see its generate output you are welcome. Now let's add a custom topic. Click Add a Topic and choose from blank. Now add some trigger phrases like, in this demo I just add phrases like, CEO of binary root, founder, etc. Now trigger flow we need. Click on plus icon and choose send a message as the action. Add your message. I use here Siddharth Vagasi. I just copy it into Notepad and paste it. Just for save time. Click on the save button and give your topic a name. I give demo topic. You can see topic save successfully. Let's test it. Type CEO, and you'll see the chatbot responds with the name. Boom. It's generate response. Now try a variation like owner of binary roots, even though we didn't add that exact phrase. Now my question is, if I give a different query, will it generate any output or not? Let's check it now. I just give owner of binary root. Boom. That's the power of Microsoft Copilot. It uses natural language understanding to match similar intent. You can see it's smart enough to understand and respond with the correct information. Now let's talk about channels and publishing. In the Channels section, you can see many available channels like Teams, Web App, Telegram, and others. You can use the created chatbot across these platforms. For this demo, we'll use the Web App. Before the use, we need to do some authentication setting. Go to the settings and click on the security option. Then choose authentication. In this demo I choose no authentication, publicly available in channel, so it's accessible without login. Click on Save button. Now you can see authentication settings save successfully. Now in this demo we use Web App, so click on Web App, you'll get an embed code to add the chatbot to your website. In this demo we open the live website in inspect mode, edit the HTML, paste the copied chatbot HTML into the appropriate section, and then preview how the chatbot appears on the site. Then firstly we copy the HTML code. Go to your website, then the Contact Us page. Right-click on the page and select Inspect to enter inspect mode. Select the area where you want to display the chatbot. Right-click on the corresponding HTML element, choose the Edit as HTML option, and paste the chatbot code there. Before pasting the code, make sure to publish your agent. Now we paste the chatbot code there. Once that's done, your chatbot will appear on your website, ready to accept prompts and respond intelligently using your defined knowledge sources. Now, when we query CEO, it generates a response, as you can see. This is the overall demo of how to create a chatbot and integrate it into a website. You can deploy this chatbot across multiple channels like Microsoft Teams, Telegram, and others.